Brian here with an update on the Beech leveler wheel ramps. I was really hoping that these would work for my fifth wheel. I do have a very heavy fifth wheel. I think its unloaded weight's like 14,000 pounds and its gross vehicle weight rating is 17.5, but we only use it for weekends right now, so we don't have it fully loaded. But it is a big fifth wheel made by Excel. Steel frame, solid wood cabinets. Anyways, last fall on our last trip, I cracked one of these Beech Lane wheel ramps trying to level out the RV. So we ended up using wood boards. So I reached out to Beech Lane, and they sent me a new set. So I brought the new set with me to our first trip today, and when we were setting up, I had my wife back the trailer up on these, and both of these have cracks in them. I don't know if you can see them with the video camera or not. I'm trying to get it to see if you could see the cracks. There's a crack there, and then this one over here has some cracks starting in them. So, and I had to go up about 3 inches, so I ended up using wooden boards. It's hard to see the cracks on that one. So anyway, so I am not recommending these for very heavy RVs. For lightweight ones, that might not be a problem. I still think the concept is really great, but for my rig, they don't work, and I'm going to keep using wooden blocks. So just wanted to give you an update on what has been happening with these since I put my video out late last year about these. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe for future videos that I may be putting out about places we're visiting and products we may be using. So, thank you for watching this video.